Let's make some enmoladas. You guys are gonna love these. They're so delicious. Cheers! My pan is set to low heat with some oil, and I'm gonna start frying 1 roma tomato, 3 garlic cloves, and half of a small white onion. We fried for about 2 minutes, and now we're gonna remove them. In the same oil, we're gonna fry 1 tortilla until it turns golden, and 8 Ritz crackers. And we fry until golden, just like this. The tortilla is ready, and I'm gonna take it out. And now I'm gonna start frying 7 chiles guajillos. We're only gonna fry them for about a minute. Make sure not to burn them. Once everything is ready, put it back into the pan and add 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm using the broth from the chicken that I cooked, but you can always use chicken stock. We cover it and cook for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna transfer everything into the blender cup. Add an additional 4 cups of chicken broth, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a tablet of chocolate abuelita, and 1 jar of mole, which is about 8 ounces. My pan is set to low-medium heat, and I'm gonna cook my sauce. This should take anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes until it thickens. Just make sure to keep stirring it. It's been 8 minutes, our salsa is ready. I'm gonna remove it from the heat and start frying our tortillas. Just fry for a couple of seconds until they get soft. Now let's prepare the enmoladas. We dip the tortilla, add some chicken, queso fresco. I top them off with some crema mexicana, more queso, some red onion, and sesame seeds. Alright guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers! And there you have it, delicious enmoladas.